Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add text on TikTok photo. So first, you tap on photo to take a picture, and then just take a picture. And then after that, you can tap on the very right that says text, tap text, and then there you can so you can turn off the sound, and then you add the text, and then you can so for example, hello, you can change the fonts by just tapping the options there, and then you can also change the colors by tapping the colors, and then so scroll to find different colors, and then tap there to edit the font, and then there to put the alignings. So that's it, and I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.